Welcome. Today we'll learn how to balance the chemical equation for the combustion of ethane with oxygen gas. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. On the reactant side, we have ethane C2H6 and oxygen gas, O2. When these react, they form carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. Let's count the atoms on each side. For carbon, we have 2 atoms on the left and 1 on the right. For hydrogen, we have 6 atoms on the left and 2 on the right. And for oxygen, we have 2 atoms on the left and 3 atoms on the right. Let's start balancing with carbon. We need 2 carbons on the right side, so we'll add a coefficient of 2 in front of CO2. Next, let's balance hydrogen. We have 6 hydrogens on the left and need 6 on the right, so we'll add a coefficient of 3 to H2O. Finally, let's balance oxygen. We now have 7 oxygens on the right, 4 from CO2 and 3 from H2O, so we need 7 oxygens on the left. Since O2 has 2 oxygen atoms, we need a coefficient of 3.5 to get 7 oxygen atoms. Our final balanced equation is C2H6 plus 7 halves O2 yields 2CO2 plus 3H2O. To check our work, we can verify that we have the same number of atoms on both sides, 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 7 oxygens. And that's how we balance the combustion equation for ethane. Remember to always check that the number of atoms is equal on both sides of the equation.